Good morning, friends. Myself, Dr. Nishant Srivastav. Today's I teach you anatomy and physiology. The chapter is continuation of valves of the heart. Before lecture, you have already learned about position of the heart structure, and heart function. So now we discuss about valves of the heart. So valve of the heart are flap-like structure that allows blood to flow in one direction. It means blood flows in the body is unidirectional, one direction. So heart has two types of valve. One is atrioventricular valve and second one is semilunar valve. So as you know about atrioventricular valve, it means atrium, valve between the atrium and the ventricle. So between the atria and ventricle, two types of valve found. One is the right side, another one is the left side. So right atrioventricular valve is known as tricuspid valve. It means it has three cusps. And left atrioventricular valve in between left atrium and left ventricle is known as bicuspid valve or mitral valve. Bicuspid means two cusp. Tricuspid means three cusp. मतलब three flap-like structures and two flap-like structures. So both valves are reinforced by chorda tendini attached to muscular projection within the ventricle. So another one is semilunar valve. The valve between the right ventricle and pulmonary trunk means pulmonary aorta and right ventricle means blood flows from right ventricle to lungs for purification means deoxygenated blood flows in right ventricle to lungs by a pulmonary trunk or pulmonary aorta. So at that place pulmonary semilunar valve formed. And the another one valve is in between the left ventricle and the aorta. So left ventricle has oxygenated blood which is purified by the lungs. After that the blood reached into the left atrium and left atrium to left ventricle and left ventricle to aorta. So left ventricle and aorta in between aortic semilunar valve. So this one is the structure. As you discussed previously, this is the tricuspid valve which has three cusps, 1, 2 and 3 cusps. And same in bicuspid valve, it is also known as mitral valve. This is the single cusp. So this is the tricuspid valve. And this is bicuspid valve. And this is aortic valve which contain oxygenated blood. And this is pulmonary valve which contains deoxygenated blood or carbon dioxide blood. So this is the valves of heart. Thank you.